Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to create your own KuCoin account. The first thing you need to do is to go over to their website. I will leave a link to their website in the description down below. You need to go over to the top right and click on the sign up button. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page, you need to choose between signing up using your phone number or your email. For this video I'll go ahead and create my own KuCoin account using an email, but the process will be exactly the same. So what you need to do then is to fill in your email, or if you're registering using your phone, you'll need to fill in your phone number. Once you have filled in your phone number or email, you need to click on the send code button. You'll then need to verify yourself, and once you have verified yourself, there will be a 6-figure code sent to your phone number or email. You'll now need to go ahead and make your own password. Once you have set your login password, you could choose to fill in a referral code. If you want to support my channel, you could use this referral code. By using this code, you'll get a 10% discount on all fees, but it's not necessary to fill in my referral code. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, you can click on the sign up button. And there you have it guys, how to create your own KuCoin account. Now I will show you how to create your KuCoin account on the mobile app. The first thing you need to do is to, of course, open up the app. And once you have opened up the app, you need to click on the icon in the top left. Here, again, you need to click on the icon in the top left. You'll then get a pop-up looking similar to this one. To create a new account, you need to click on sign up located in the bottom. Here you can choose to create your account using an email or using your phone. To change between those two, below the gray button saying next, you can click on by phone number or by email. For this example, I'll be using the by phone number. So I'll fill in my phone number, and now you need to click on the send button to get your verification code. Once you have filled in your phone number, you need to click on the send button. You'll then need to verify yourself and just simply wait on the code to arrive on your phone. Once you have filled in the code, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. You'll now have to set your password, and once you have filled in your password, you can choose to fill in the referral code again. And once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to click on I have read and agree to the terms of use. Now the last thing you need to do is to click on sign up. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.